Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to copy a folder from one directory to another directory on a Mac computer using terminal commands. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer to be able to use and implement the terminal commands within the command prompt on the Mac computer. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application terminal, open that up. Increase the size of the terminal window. We can also increase the text size. And so we can now go all the way down to the dock. Again, open up the Finder window as we are trying to copy our folder on the desktop and take that to the Documents folder. Let's move that to the side. Let's now focus back on Terminal, CD desktop. Let's just list everything on the desktop. And so we are now working with the file folder. So the command to copy that folder, which is on the desktop, to the documents folder is cp minus capital R, which I will explain after I have typed out all the command before I press enter, tilde, which is option N slash desktop tab, and then file, tilde again, option N slash documents, and that will copy the file folder from the desktop to the documents. And so just to explain, cp, which means copy files and directories, dash or hyphen R means copy directories recursively. So let's now click on enter, and there we go. The file folder on the desktop has now been copied, duplicated using terminal commands. And so we can now go to Finder, quit Finder, go back to Terminal, clear everything on screen. We can now quit Terminal. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.